Hey Benny, join us. It's warm in here. Well, don't mind if I do. Hello everyone, welcome to another Harvest of the Month, where every month we're bringing you a different harvest from one of our IDEA farms. And for the month of January, we're going to be talking about broccoli. I want to give a huge shout out to Farmer Renee and Farmer Rain out at IDEA Monterey Park in San Antonio, Texas. They've been growing this beautiful broccoli, and they actually told me they're growing a purple variety. So it's going to look pretty similar to broccoli that we know and love, but it's going to have like this purple tint to it. Super cool. And of course, just like all of our other harvests, this broccoli is making its way from our farms to our schools.
That's right, Steph. So over at IDEA Los Encinos, the staff really loves the day where they serve the broccoli because we make it with the broccoli and cheddar cheese sauce. Right. Gets served with nuggets and curly fries, like can't go wrong. Over at IDEA Los Encinos, they also have like a little cooking club where the kids get that hands-on experience of cooking the harvest of the month.
That's such a cool little club. They go the extra mile and play some more with our harvest of the month. Awesome. And well, of course, we've got for you today this delicious recipe. We're going to be making our broccoli with cheddar cheese sauce. All right, and now that we're back, we took some time to chop up our broccoli. As you can see here, I left a lot of these with kind of a longer stem. I didn't want to have any waste, and so this is a great way to minimize waste, but also the whole broccoli has all of these great vitamins and minerals like vitamin K. It's got calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, all of those that are really good for our bones. So we want to make sure we keep a lot of that when we get ready to cook our broccoli.
Definitely, Steph. And actually, I've got here some frozen broccoli that I wanted to show off to you guys. All those nutrients that Steph mentioned for the fresh broccoli is exactly what you're going to find in frozen broccoli. And even depending on when you're going to enjoy this broccoli, if it's slightly out of season, you might have a little less nutrients because the longer it sits, it loses it. But our frozen broccoli gets frozen at like peak ripeness. So you're going to see that it's going to keep the same nutrients all year. And not only that, whenever you've got these frozen, already cut florets, it makes that labor way easier, the cooking much faster, and that's why it works perfectly in our schools. And this is exactly what we're using in our schools.
Yes, and then we're just going to toss this in a little bit of olive oil, some garlic, and some salt, keeping the spices very simple to let the broccoli speak for itself.
All right, so we're actually going to cook these broccoli side by side. We've got our fresh on one side, our frozen on the other, and we're gonna season them with the same garlic powder, olive oil, and salt. Cook them at the same time. That way you can get a feeling of what our students see and what fresh broccoli may look like if you choose to use that. All right, guys, so we're back with our broccoli. You've got your frozen broccoli on this side. We've got our fresh broccoli on this side. And I just wanted to show you the difference. So something I like to do, just a tip if you want some color on your fresh broccoli, I like to turn on the broiler. So you turn this on high to get some color on there and it still retains its crunch. Versus our frozen broccoli that was in there with the broiler as well, but it had a lot of steam coming from it, so you're not gonna get as much color.
Right.
So yeah, but these are ready to put on a plate.
I'm so ready for that. All right, and here is our complete plate, of course, with our delicious broccoli and cheddar cheese sauce. This is so tasty and delicious. Of course, on our recipe, we'll make sure to share the cheese sauce with you as well. And we have accompanied this with a very kid-friendly meal, our whole grain breadstick. We've got our whole muscle chicken nuggets that are also breaded in that whole grain breading. We've got our oven baked curly fries, and we can't forget our dips.
No, they're called chicken dippers for a reason.
Yes. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. Don't forget to visit our website at ideapublicschools.org where you can find this recipe and many more. And until next time, happy cooking!